लाइक सब्सक्राइब। हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अचीवमेंट माइंड पावर सीटेट 2021 में आपका स्वागत है। आज का सेशन हमारा बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। हम आज जानने वाले हैं फुल फॉर्म्स ऑफ जो सीटेट में पूछा जा रहा है। रेगुलर सेशंस हम कम स्टडी कर रहे हैं, एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं पेपर के। थ्रू दैट पेपर वी हैव टू prepare some of full forms regarding the CTET 2021. So I hope this is useful in your next preparation for those who are ready to attempt for next sessions exams. So I hope different types of, also I have provided those who are not asked in, maybe asked in next sessions, and those who are repeated in the CTET 2021 in previous exams conducted by the CTET 2021. So let's start. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe. Those who are not like, एक लाइक तो यहाँ पर बनती है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। LSRW. L refers for learning, S refers for speaking, R refers for reading, W refers for writing. This is our main skills in teaching education. Every teacher adapt these three skills in their teaching. The four skills are most important skills in education. Next, RTE. R refers for right, T refers for to, E refers for education. Right to education under the policy, the committee recommended Ashpal committee under Article 21A. They try to the most aim is to right to children to free and compulsory. Every children have right to learn education from free and compulsory. Next one is basics. BICS. B refers for basic, I refers for interpersonal, C refers for communication, S refers for skill. In every child, basic information they gain from the school. They learn basic skills from the students developed to in school education environment. LAD. L refers for language, A refers for acquisition, D refers for device. Learning acquisition devices, which means different types of devices we have to use in our learning process, which is acquisition of learning to easy and flexible. For the four most example is digital classes. Next, NEP. N refers for national, E refers for education, P refers for policy. New education policy which are developed in, which are comes from in 2020 new education policy. Under this, most of the changes are formed in for developing education more sufficient and flexible to everyone, and everyone required good education in their learning process. Next, ADHD. A refers for attention, D refers for defect, H refers for hyperactivity, D refers for disorder. Those attention hyperactivity disorder suffering, they are give special attention to learning in education environment. Next one, BALA. BALA. B refers for building, A refers for as, L refers for learning, A refers for aids. Building aids, which we have to use teachers in a classroom to use students different aids that are building to learn step by step. Next, CALP. C refers for cognitive, A refers for academic, L refers for language, P refers for proficiency. Means mentally, cognitive is developed in mentally. In academic languages, those who are learned in that school, in that academic year, their proficiency in that language with syllabus or curriculum provided to children. Next, IEP. I refers for individualized, E refers for education, P refers for policy. Individual education policy is required for every student and every learning process. CLT. C refers for communicative, L refers for language, T refers for teaching. Communicative language teaching means in teaching purpose. In classroom, teaching is not, language is not a oral language. It is communicate with students and teachers in between they are when they are learning in a classroom. The environment most are formed in this way. Climate is that the teacher and students being communicate with each other along with the language. Next, MLL, minimum level of learning. Most of the students, M refers for minimum, L refers for level, L refers for learning. Minimum level of learning, students have right to learn minimum level. Minimum academic year of learning, they have learned some of the, not overall, but minimum they gain knowledge from the what they learn. Next, RET, once again it repeated, so we have to skip this one. Next, TBLT. T refers for task, B refers for based, L refers for language, T refers for teaching. Task based language means target based language teaching. When teacher teach someone some lessons, it is target based, it is result based, it is overall development form in the children. Overall, that's completely skill developments, completely the curriculum what we have to teach in school in language through language is completely task based, means it competitive between the students and teaching when they are learning between in the classroom. Next, CLIL. C refers for content, L refers for language, I refers for integrated, L refers for learning. Integrated learning means in learning they have mixed with content and language, both are integrated, and then we have to learning is more flexible. Next, SLT. S refers for speech and L refers for language, T refers for therapy. It is one of the speech and language therapy. When the student teaching a teacher in a classroom, this used the therapy to teach minimum knowledge to the student along with the speech and language through the different types of languages in a classroom. They belongs from different mother tongues. When we teach in a classroom, the environment is therapy. What we have to is use in a classroom, it is speech and language, both are in therapy ways. In a treatment to communicate, every student with different languages belonged communicate in one with the language which you have no, for everyone has no one language according to the learning therapy. Next, LAC. L refers for language, A refers for across, C refers for curriculum. Language across the curriculum means the curriculum which we have to provide it to the students in education, that language across the curriculum. Curriculum across the language means language developed in the what we have to provide it in the curriculum. The language is developed in the skill, almost the minimum gain the knowledge from the school. Next, SCLL. Here C refers for community, L refers for language, L refers for learning. Community language learning, which means in a classroom, different types of community students belong from different societies. When we communicate, each one in a classroom gather in one classroom, they have communicate. The community is not referred community language learning, which way they have learned the instructions being given in mother tongue. That is the most aim of this learning themes. I hope you understand all these topics. Shortcut full forms in provided asked mostly asked in CTET. Thank you. ओके फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ तक आप सभी का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो चुका होगा। अगर आपको फिर भी कोई डाउट हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में पिन कर दीजिए, रिप्लाई करने की कोशिश करूँगी। जिन्होंने अभी तक लाइक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, लाइक सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में आपके साथ फिर जुड़ेंगे। अंटिल देन कीप स्माइल, बाय बाय।